Hi, my name's Jack from Jack and the Wolf here in the UK. So I've pre-cut Safia's hair into this beautiful textured crop. And today I really want to demonstrate how we can work with the natural texture using some of my favourite KMS products. So before I cut Safia's hair, I prepped her hair with the cleansing conditioner. Now I love this product because it adds moisture, but it doesn't disrupt the natural texture. So now I'm going to be applying the HAIRPLAY Messing Creme into Safia's hair. Now if you love the feel of your hair, say after that day 2, you know, when you really feel like you've got some product in your hair and it's got some real grip and grittiness, then this is definitely the product for you. It gives a beautiful hold and it's amazing for natural texture and curly hair. So now I've worked the HAIRPLAY Messing Creme through my haircut. You can see it's so lightweight, it works with the curl, not against it. And you can really bring out the individual texture of the hair in this beautiful short haircut. So I'm now going to finish the look with the HAIRSTAY Working Hairspray. And that's because even though I love the look that the Messing Creme has given, I just want to add a little bit more hold, and that's why this hairspray is going to be perfect. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more amazing looks, check it out at the KMS Pro channel.